Those massive green caterpillars destroying your tomato plants overnight are actually tomato hornworms. And you can wipe them out completely without using a single harsh chemical. They blend in perfectly with your tomato plants because of their bright green color. But if you start seeing bare stems from the top down or notice tiny black pellets on the leaves, they are definitely hiding in your garden. These things can get up to 4 inches long and have a weird little horn on their tail, which makes them look like tiny aliens. The absolute fastest way to deal with them is just picking them right off the plant. Grab a pair of gardening gloves or a paper towel and go out early in the morning. Even better, go out late at night with a flashlight. For some reason, they stand out way more in the dark, making your hunt so much easier. Just pluck them off and toss them far away from your garden bed. Or throw them to your chickens for a quick organic treat. If touching giant caterpillars is totally not your vibe, you can actually recruit an army of good bugs to do the dirty work for you. Parasitic wasps are the ultimate garden weapon because they literally lay their eggs inside the hornworms, which takes them out naturally and effectively. You can attract these helpful insects by planting flowers like marigolds and yarrow right next to your tomatoes. Basil is another amazing companion plant to throw in the mix because it repels pests and actually makes your tomatoes taste better, while nasturtiums act as a decoy to pull bugs away from your main crop. For a more direct attack, you need to mix up a natural spray. Grab 1 gallon of water, 2 tablespoons of neem oil, and 1 teaspoon of plain liquid soap. Shake it up and spray it all over the leaves, making sure to hit the undersides where they love to hide. You want to do this early in the morning or late in the evening so the harsh sun does not burn your wet plants. The neem oil messes with the pests on a hormonal level, so they stop growing and eating. You can also just use a simple mix of water and a couple tablespoons of liquid soap to suffocate them on contact. To stop them from ever coming back, you have to change up your garden layout. Never plant your tomatoes in the exact same spot year after year. Rotate them with crops that hornworms absolutely hate, like beans or corn. Staying on top of these green monsters means you get to keep your harvest instead of feeding the local pests. Walk your garden every week, check under the leaves, and you will be pulling in massive, perfect tomatoes all summer long.